Tita Naomi, we love you! Happy 18th birthday, Naomi! Wish you all the best! We love you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! We love you, birthday!
When you're far away, it's
Ika, sabi mo.
Birthday, Naomi.
Sabi ko, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Naomi! Happy birthday, Naomi!
dawning up the phone.
Hello, happy birthday
Naomi.
Naomi. Wish you all the best. Stay beautiful. Sige. Ayun. Ayun lang.
Ay, lang. Ikaw, Toy.
Ala!
Happy birthday kay Tata Naomi.
Happy birthday, Naomi! Ayun lang.
Ayun lang.
Hindi ako marunong mag-English.
Happy birthday. It's not that I don't
Happy 18th birthday Naomi. Wish you all the best. Stay beautiful and sexy. Ingat ka palagi kayo ni mama mo lahat.
Meron akong regalo sa iyo, Naomi. Dal. Ito. Dal. Kailangan, di pa ako kailangan patadala sa iyo. Kapag alala, pinakakain ko to. Happy birthday, Naomi. Ayos ba to? Sasalita yan. Ika. Naomi, ikaw.
Naomi!
Sasalita yan. Ayaw isa po po robot. Ay, ka! Ka, Elman.
Pamilya lang kayo sa malaki dali.
Ito!
Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday, Naomi! Ako lang, happy birthday! Happy 18th birthday!
Happy birthday Naomi!
Ay, anong message nyo?
More birthdays to come. God bless you always. Mama!
That's all. Thank you.
I guess you wanna know why I'm on the phone.
Happy birthday, Tita Naomi! We wish you all the best. We love you.
Happy birthday, Naomi. Salamat sa pagmamahal na binigay mo sa amin. Ano sa akin, kapag ka meron si mama mo, lagi mo ako naalala sa damit, kaya di ko malilimutan yun. Salamat. Kaya ang wish ko sa iyo, sana maging good health ka pa, magkaroon ka pa ng magandang future, tapos makatapos ka ng kolehiyo, magkaroon ka ng magandang trabaho. Kung mamahalin mo si Mama Pe, si Mami Pe, kasi kung gaano namin kamahal yan, alam kong mas higit kang minamahal mo ang mami mo. Yan ang naging isang mga nyo. Kaya happy birthday, maging mabuti kang bata. God bless you. Love you. Go!
Happy birthday, Naomi! Karaw mo pala ngayon, hindi ko alam
Tama! Pagkadaling doon, karawan niya.
Salamat!
Ikaw, hindi ba? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ka mama. Happy birthday na yung mama.
Birthday!
Birthday.
Oh.
Happy birthday. Ay,
Ano ko eh?
Iino yan? Ay, dito.
Lakas mo!
Lakas mo. Happy birthday Naomi.
Happy birthday.
Naomi.
Happy birthday.
Ikaw din ba? Dilma, sige.
Ano yung min, panisya ka na, hindi nakarin yung mga alaga kong kupa. Walang pigsasabi. Pero kapatid namin, lahat, meron ng dalawang alaga. Kaya ang bati namin sa iyo ay Happy Birthday! We love you! Yay!
Happy 18th birthday, Nine! I hope by the time that play this presentation, I'm there celebrating with you. But if ever I won't make it in time, I want you to know that I'm very happy for you. And I hope and pray that God will pour all His blessing to you and your loved ones. Always listen to your parents and keep your feet always on the ground. Love you. Wish you happy birthday.
Nay, I just want to greet you happy 18th birthday. Sana maging masaya yung birthday mo kahit na wala kami. Rest assured na laging nasa puso ka namin. Together with your mommy and Uncle Greg, Liza, and everyone na malapit sa puso mo. Dahil lang naman ang panalangin namin and hope to see you soon. Kahit na malayo tayo, andito ka lang lagi sa puso namin. Again, happy birthday and I love you so much. Take care.
Happy birthday, Naomi. I won't wish anything more because I know that you're truly blessed. I just hope and pray that you will keep thinking and praying for God for all the blessing. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Naomi! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy 18th birthday, Naomi! Yan na, kumanta pa ako para sa'yo. Anyway, my wish for you is I hope that you have many more birthday to come and good health, stay sexy, stay humble, stay sweet as you are. God bless you. Again, happy birthday. Love you, Kaz. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nay!
More blessed
years to come. And I hope you have great success in your life. We love you, we miss you, and see you soon. Bye!
Happy birthday.
Salita ng 1, 2, 3. Sandali, wag.
Oo nga.
Okay. Tingnan niyo kamay ko, ha?
Hoy! I-edit naman yan i-edit ni Kuya.
Pagdating ng 3, happy sabay-sabay sa si Jojo Naomi.
Inumin niyo muna ng alak.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Tita Naomi. We love you.
Wala ka buhay-buhay ka. Sandali lang. Hindi pa nakabidyo kaya.
Testing pa lang yun.
Ano ba yan?
Meron ka daw yung wala ni Birthday, Tita Naomi. We love you. Birthday na yun.
Kaya mo ba edit to? Ha? Kaya mo edit? Sama ka na, dali! Game na!
Bumilang ka lang. 1, 2, 3, sabi mo.
Okay na, so ginagalitan na kayo.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Happy birthday! Naihi ako ng tiora.
Naomi, ingatan mo. Ingatan mo yung mga sarili niyo. Kumusta si Glyza? Magaling na ba siya? Naomi, I love you. Naomi, I love you. Happy birthday, Naomi.
Happy birthday, Naomi! Nagmamakawa, ay bumate! Sabi ay bumate, hindi nagmamakawa! Happy birthday, Naomi! Happy sa pinanay, oh! Happy birthday, Naomi!
Naomi, mahal kita.
I love you, Naomi! Sabi ko lang sa'yo, huwag kang nagmamakawa!